Welcome to the Windows and Computer channel, and of course this is a little questions and answer for those that are thinking, do I really need to move on to this version of Windows 10? The November 2019 update is officially launched yesterday, November the 12th, but one of the things, of course, that they ask people, is it stable, and is it, something I need to move on? So what happens is, of course, a lot of you have been saying, well, I'm going to wait. Because, every time there's a new version of Windows, every time there are new major updates, I think it's safe and it's a good idea to wait and, see what happens with that version. It's something that is, of course, possible that there could be some unknown or unseen issues, and we've seen that in previous builds. I mentioned in one of my videos why this should be an update that you want, because it really in reality fixes and improves upon the May 2019 update and is very different from the previous updates that are major updates. This is really a cumulative update. It's like a service pack like we had on Windows 7, for example. So one of the things that is that I think is you should move on. But that said, you know what? No problem. Wait, and you don't have to install it now. It's a optional download and install. It's not something that needs to be done, and you can actually just take your time and wait. And there's not a lot of new stuff in here, and there's even some deprecated stuff we'll talk about a little bit. But, there's no rush to update, and especially when people that are on the May 2019 update, a lot of you now are there. One thing that's for sure is that you don't need to rush any updates now. May 2019 update users that are now more than half are able to wait on this build. You can wait till 20H1 if you want. You can wait till later than 20H1. You got 18 months running from there. You can actually just jump over the November 2019 update, and that's it. So, no urgency, like we say. Don't rush into things. If your computer works fine, why risk it? Because even though this probably will go through and be okay, there's always that possibility. And, you can just stay where you are for now and evaluate later. Of course, here, if any problems, anything shows up, any unusual problems on this build, this is one of the things, of course, I will be looking at. So, you can stay tuned to the news of what's happening with these builds. And if anything bad happens, well, of course, we'll let you know. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.